Hey guys, Randy with Horizon Trailers here. Today I'll be reviewing the much requested RDZ roll-off trailer. This trailer is perfect for construction, roofing, or landscaping. Starting at the front, this trailer has all the safety features it needs. It has a 2 5/16 gooseneck adjustable coupler rated at 30,000 pounds, 3 8 grade 70 safety chains, a breakaway kit, and a 7-way RV all-weather wiring harness. 2 drop leg jacks rated at 12,000 pounds each, upgradable to the hydraulic jacks if you don't like cranking. In between the tongue, it features the Mega Toolbox with this heavy-duty latch which you can lock with a padlock. Inside the toolbox, you'll find the 2 batteries, the battery charger, hydraulic pump, and the remotes. Plus, you have all this extra space for your tools, equipment, chain straps, or whatever you need on your job. Up here, you'll find the standard spare tire. For the tongue, it has our nice design fabricated I-beam and a 10-inch I-beam main frame weighing in at 12 pounds per foot. Also, we added side steps on both sides so you can easily access the dumpster. For the tilt deck main frame and cross members, it has the 2 by 3 inch 7-gauge tubing and a 3 by 4 inch by 1/4 inch angle iron for the railing. For lifting the deck, it has a 6 by 21 inch cylinder with a 20,000 pound hoist and a 17.5 K Warrior winch with a steel cable to reel up the dumpster or deck. The dump angle with a dumpster loaded is at 51 degrees. It has 14-gauge diamond plate steel fenders, and we added these 4 holes for when you want to install an electric tarp kit. For the running gear, it has 2 7K Lippert electric brake spring axles upgradable to 8K. 10-ply tires on 16-inch black mud wheels upgradable to the aluminum wheels if you prefer that. At the rear of this RDZ, it features nice big DOT-approved Technique LED lights and marker lights along the rear and along the side for extra visibility. We ensure that the paint on our trailers will be durable with our 6-step painting process, which includes steel grit blasting and powder coat. Plus, we have the option of adding zinc primer undercoat for places up north where there is more salt and sulfate. Also, we know you like to personalize your trailer to your liking. That's why we have 10 color options for the frame and 10 color options for the tilt deck, giving you 100 different color combinations to really personalize it to your liking. Remember, all our trailers have a 3-year structure and a 1-year component warranty, plus are NATM certified, ensuring that if you buy one of our trailers, they will be top quality. For more information like this, visit us on horizontrailers.com. I'll catch you in the next video.